The US and India have just scored a major win against transnational crime. A global manhunt for a top aide of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi has ended at the US-Canada border. Rajasthan's Anti-Gangster Task Force, or AGTF, working with US Immigration and Customs Enforcement, has detained Jagdeep Singh, also known as Jagga. Police says he was a key operative in the Bishnoi gang and worked closely with gangster Rohit Godhra. Jagga is wanted in over a dozen serious cases across Rajasthan and Punjab. The charges include attempted murder, extortion, firearm offences and jumping bail. Courts in Rajasthan had issued multiple warrants for his arrest. According to officials, Jagga fled India 3 years ago. He first shifted to Dubai and then managed to illegally enter the United States. But AGTF did not stop tracking him. They shared intelligence with international agencies and kept patient watch on his movements. That joint surveillance finally paid off. On Monday, ICE officers detained Jagga near the border between the United States and Canada. He was taken into custody without incident. A senior AGTF officer says this is a crucial step towards breaking the global operations of the Bishnoi gang. He credits precise intelligence and strong cooperation between India and foreign agencies for the success. Jagga's criminal footprint is wide. In 2017, police says he attempted to murder a doctor in Jaipur. He is also linked to the murder of businessman Vasudev Israni in Jodhpur, and even from abroad, he allegedly continued to issue threats and run extortion rackets through illegal networks. Now AGTF is working to bring him back to India. Efforts are underway to fast-track his deportation so he can face the law. Officials say this operation sends a clear message: no gangster is out of reach and borders won't protect those who commit violent crimes in India. Rajasthan police and the AGTF say they will continue to hunt down fugitives wherever they hide.